Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way how to split screen vertically or horizontally using Shotcut editor. So here I am in Shotcut and I have two videos added to the playlist. Now let's go ahead and add these two videos to video tracks in timeline. So first navigate to timeline and create two video tracks. Navigate to track operations, add video track, and then again menu, operations, and add video track 2. Now take one of the videos, drag and drop it to track 1, and then drag and drop the other video to track 2. Now in the first example I'll show you how to split screen vertically, and to do that we have to select video in track 2, navigate to filters, add filter, and in the search box type in and find a filter called crop source. Now once you apply this filter, here you should see filter settings opening here on the left hand side, and if we want to split this screen vertically, then we'll be using sliders left or right. Now the difference is that if you use slider left, you can see that we are covering the video from left hand side towards the right, so we're keeping the right hand side of this video. Now if we use right, we are covering everything from right to left, so we have this left side of the screen, and I prefer probably this side of the screen, so I'm going to use the slider right, basically cover everything from right to left. And I can just adjust the slider like this and kind of assume what would be the half of the screen, or if I want to know precisely how much is a half of this video, I can just open the folder where I have my video, right click, open properties, and then navigate here to details. And here under frame width, I have the exact width of my video, which is 1920. So that's the full width of this video. So 1920 divided by 2, basically a half, would be 960. So here on the right, I will type in 960, and this represents exactly precisely a half of this video. Now what we have to do next is just position this part either to the left or to the right of the screen, and for that we just need to apply another filter here called, type in size and find a filter called size, position, and rotate. And now using this filter we are going to position this clip, just find horizontal fit and choose either right or left. So I'm going to position this clip on the right here of the screen. Now if I click play, here we have two clips playing. I just need to move the video in track 1 here so that the person here is in the middle of this left hand side section. And to do that I'm just going to apply one filter, which is size, position, and rotate. Now once I apply this filter on video track 1, what I have to do here is just use the slider position. I can use these arrows up, as you can see video is now moving towards the right, or down to move the video to the left, but this is quite a lengthy process, so I can just left click here on this little circle and just drag the video manually like this. Just be careful when you manually drag videos to ensure you don't have this black border here, because it's easy to misalign the video on the screen like this. But once you position the video where you want it to be, I'm going to give you one tip here. Basically the position axis is this, and then this axis is for the up and down, and we just want to make sure that we keep this at 0. So this just ensures that we have positioned our video exactly where it should be, leaving no black gaps. And that's it, guys. Now if I move the playhead to the start, click play, here I have two video clips split vertically in Shotcut. Now I'll show you a quick way how you can split these clips horizontally as well. all you have to do is just select video on track 2. Now navigate to filters, select this crop source filter, and now instead of having this right at 960, just move it back to 0. So now we covered the full screen again, and now we want to choose either top or bottom. So again, top and bottom have the same kind of meaning. It's just going to move the clip to either choose the lower part or move from the bottom up to keep the upper part of the clip. And I think this upper part looks slightly better. So again, I'm just going to move it on this upper bottom slider. And then again, if we want to know how much is exactly precisely a half of this video horizontally, I can go back to video properties and then details and find frame height, which is 1080. So the full video is at 1080. That means a half is at 540. So 1080 divided by 2 gives us 540. And this now here is precisely a half of this video clip. And then again, on size, position and rotate of this clip, we are now going to position it not horizontally, but now vertically. So we can put it at the bottom like this or the top. So I'm now positioning this clip here at the top. And now if I want to adjust this bottom clip again, I just select this video in track 1. And as you can see, this was positioned for the previous split where we had it vertical. And now to position this for the horizontal split, we'll just move the clip back like this, move it down. So obviously we are losing quite a bit of detail here, but we just have to kind of decide what part of the video we want to see. So let's say this part here, this much, okay? And then again, just to make sure you don't have any black gaps here on the right or left, you might want to adjust the position here. So now the position should be, ideally should be at 0. Okay, so now we have aligned the clip properly on the left and right, and that would be it. Now if I move the playhead to the start, replay the clips, here we have the result of a horizontal split. And that would be it, guys. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, please do drop a comment, let me know, and I might create a separate tutorial to give you another approach. This is one of the methods how you can quickly and easily split screen vertically or horizontally, and you can do the same for a number of clips, not necessarily 2. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.